Contented.
Yes, because happy face is always the most attractive face. And which emotion this face reflects?
Sad.
Sad about something.
And this face?
Scared. Worried about something.
Scared.
Scared. And what about this?
Excited.
Excited.
And what about this?
Anger.
Anger.
And what about this new emotion has come into existence now? What is
Yeah.
Quiet.
Looks tender.
Yes, this is very soft emotion. Yeah, when you feel for someone, your kindness, your tenderness. And that's why, you know, the face is so calm, so serene, and so attractive. So this face is for ourselves, and this face is for others. No, that is the difference. These two faces are equally important, these two emotions, but this is for oneself and this is for others. So these are the basic emotions you all must be knowing very well. I don't think that I have to go into the details. The most important thing is how to express the emotions, you know, and how to read the emotions of others. My dear teachers, it's not easy. It requires lots of training, lots of understanding, lots of practice to be able to express our emotions. वो शाहरुख खान ही एक्टिंग में कर सकता है तो कर सकता है, otherwise if you ask me to make the face of a loving person and make a face of a person whom I hate, I can't do both. I can't make both the faces. But anyways, this is a challenge. You all have to click one photograph and send me on the WhatsApp right now. Any one emotions, whatever emotions we have discussed in the last slide. If you want, I can show you the previous slide. Just a minute. Yes, this is the previous slide. Any one emotions you please select. Click your photograph and send to me. Meanwhile, I am also trying to click one photograph of my full of any one emotions of this. Okay?
In our group, ma'am?
No,
in film group?
Yes, this is selfie time. You all click and share in the group. Dr. Ram, you can also give it a try. Yes. You all did?
I'm done.
I think the most rare emotion is happiness, and that is very easy to express, isn't it? And rest all other emotions are so common, very difficult to express. I'm trying to express other emotions, but unable to do. Okay, let me see that who has shared what. Then I will share mine at the end. A film you have shared? Oh, you started watching in the group? Okay, so let me also have the happiness Zoena is taking alone. I'll share in the group right now. Oh my God, open. Okay, so film course, I opened it. Let me share. Is it visible? Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
What all we are receiving here. Who is this?
Veena, ma'am. What happened to you, ma'am?
Which type of emotion is this?
I'm anger, ma'am.
This was anger. Okay. And what is this?
Revati, this is the feeling I feel now.
Tender?
We can say that is tender.
Surprise.
This is surprise. Surprise.
Sight.
This is
Oh,
happiness.
happy.
Is it happy or tender?
No, I'm happy.
This is happy. Oh, this is surprise, Gurpreet ma'am. This is happy. Ah, this is surprise or exciting. What is this?
Shocked.
Scared?
Shocked.
And
Happy.
this is happy.
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 This is
Sad.
Thinking
Sad.
something, ma'am.
Thinking, sad.
happy.
Smiling.
What is it?
Dr. Ram's one is not there. Happy.
is-
Happy.
Oh, so nice of you. You all are great actors. I think I should have shared this with Shahrukh Khan.
Always being with the kids, they have to act in many roles.
Yes, that is the reason, I think. So it is really lovely. It was wonderful activity and you all have participated wholeheartedly. Thank you very much. Now expressing emotions, you know, how we have to help the children to express their emotions. If all the time you are asking, how are you? They will say, I'm good, I'm fine, isn't it? But if you ask them that, how are you feeling today? Then naturally they have to name the emotion and they have to say, I feel a little sad or I'm happy or I'm angry or whatever. So in this way, we have to help them to express their emotions. Or otherwise you look sad, upset, are you okay? Or you seem a little bit distracted, are you all right? So these are the sentences that is going to help us to make the students reflect upon their moods, reflect upon their emotions, and then reply accordingly. And these are the words that is going to help us in recognizing in expressing the emotions. So now how we have to regulate the emotions, that is very important. Suppose, Zoena, you are very, very angry. Okay. So how you are going to regulate your emotion of anger? Do you have any strategy for this?
Ma'am, I sleep.
You sleep. You know, everybody has their own strategy. So there is nothing harm in this. You know, the very important thing is the power of pause we have to understand. You know, this pause is very important. That plays very important role in our life. If we are feeling any emotion, you know, and we want to get rid of that emotion, that is like disliked emotion, that is not likable emotions, then there we have to pause for a while. And we have to ponder upon and reflect upon the behavior of ours and behavior of the person. You know, it's not necessary that we are facing problem because of our emotions, maybe because of the emotions of others. So there we have to pause, take a pause, and then we have to reflect upon the behavior. Then the triggers, these triggers are important. Okay, what exactly is the trigger behind this particular emotion? Like behind my anger, I told you that behind my anger, it was a scarcity of love and bonding with the siblings. It was deprivation from the companionship with the sibling. So behind every emotion, there are some triggers. And then we have to reflect on the events. Okay, why it had happened. You know, sometimes we are very happily doing something and in between somebody said something and the entire situation changed into a worse situation. And then you will start thinking, okay, what exactly happened? Everything was all right. फिर आप सोचेंगे, I should have not said this. I think I made a mistake. Why should I said this? And that has triggered the anger in the person. And then pause and then reflection on the behavior and triggers and events. It's going to help us in a great deal, especially when we are in the leadership role. I remember when I used to be on the chair of the principal, when I was there in UAE or in Hamdard, you know, throughout the day, I used to go through to so many emotions, not because of myself, but because of my colleagues, because of my teachers, because of my staff members. Somebody is coming crying with the sad news of somebody's demise or somebody's severe ill health. Somebody is coming laughing with sweets, giving me the good news of some newly born babies or some success in exam. Somebody is coming very much worried about money. Somebody is coming very much excited about upcoming event. So throughout the day, when the people are coming with different situations and different emotions, naturally you are a human being. You are affected with that emotion. So sometimes you are up and then down, then up and then down, then up and then down. So that is going to give you lots of stress. You know, the leadership role gives you lots of stress in life. But we should know and we should learn the techniques how to de-stress ourselves. Otherwise, it's very difficult for us to survive for the longer period of time in that leadership role. You are the teacher, suppose, and in your class, there are certain different types of children in the class. So somebody will be very happy, very excited. Some are low, some are sad, some are frustrated, some are angry, some are worried. Then naturally, you have to read the moods of the children. You have to read the emotional situations going on, emotional status of the child. And then accordingly, you have to act. And that really gives you, abhi main aapke samne, if I am going to narrate any sad story, you all become sad. And if I am going to narrate any happy story, you all become happy. This is human nature. Because we are bound with our emotions, and emotions are actual. We have to recognize it. Can you tell me the biggest mistake as far as emotions are concerned, the biggest mistake a human being makes, any human being makes, the biggest mistake related to the emotion?
We vent it out on the person who is not responsible for it.
Okay.
One who will fall other emotions. That is biggest mistake I can say.
Okay, good. So in my opinion, the biggest mistake we make with the emotion is to ignore it, to suppress it, to not to acknowledge it. And we think, oh, everything will be all right. This is a clear sentence. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. How everything will be all right? We have to work upon that. We have to work upon our emotions and the emotions of others. On its own, it's not going to happen. So it's important to know emotional intelligence strategies and skills. Instead of suppressing, instead of ignoring, we have to learn the skills and strategies. And then only the things are going to turn to make our situations inspiring and managing the complexity of our situations. This is a very famous saying that without emotional intelligence strategies and skills, it would have been much more difficult to effectively lead, inspire, and manage the complexity of 21st century superintendent's role. If you are in the leadership role, you must know the strategies, the skills, and then only you will be able to, we all make chapatis, but we cannot make chapatis all of a sudden, isn't it? For that, we require the skills of making the chapati. Similarly, we have to acknowledge that emotions exist, and to have the emotions, to regulate the emotions, we need strategies and we need skills. Now I need you people to share your experiences where your emotions have increased team performance, decreased stress, improved decision-making, increased leadership ability, reduced truancy, and increased personal well-being. Okay, so not now because we are running short of time, but you can take the screenshot of this, and from your personal life stories, you all have to think of any incident where anything happened because of the emotional intelligence, any one aspect.
Ma'am, can you give one example, if you don't mind? What sort of story for this you required?
Like in my life, because of my emotional intelligence, I have all other good emotions in me, and I know how to except that one example I have already given to you. there was a gentleman who was very, very angry, you know, in the meeting. And we were discussing about making the website from that gentleman, okay? And somebody said that, can you make the website like some other school? I cannot name the school, like this school. So the person felt very offended that he is doubting my capability and he is giving me the example of other schools that can I make the website like that. So he was very angry, very furious that how you can doubt my capability while I'm an expert in this field and I have come just for the negotiation of your school. Then what happened? I was aware that he belongs to a particular region, particular place. So I just simply said, there is no doubt in this that he can make better website because he belongs to Bangalore. I must name the place also. He belongs to Bangalore and you know Bangalore is IT hub. So how you can doubt his capability? Then immediately the person was down. You know, his whole anger vanished. So here what did I do? I have just played the trick on him. I know that a person has emotional attachment with the place to which the person belongs. And everybody has the need of appreciation in him. If you satisfy that need of that person of appreciation, then naturally the person is going to be on your tips. Like you can tame him very easily. So similarly, not only he has made the website, but he has reduced the amount and he has done all sorts of things. So that's how we have to, how emotional intelligence plays a very important role. So my dear Zoina darling, I think it is already 7 o'clock and my half of the presentation is left. So if you people suggest we can carry on today, or if you want, I can continue tomorrow. If you can join by 5 o'clock.
Shall we continue, girls? If ma'am is not a problem for you.
No, for me, there is no
actually,
problem.
we don't have any
Tomorrow.
problem, but ma'am, because you are fasting. So if you are comfortable, then we are okay. Otherwise, we can continue. We can join tomorrow. No problem. We will join 5 p.m. No
yes,
problem.
Tomorrow 5 o'clock, if you can join, that is more convenient.
Yes, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and we can
Thank you.
continue.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you very much. It was really very